Morning students, now coming to the last topic of sexual reproduction in flowering plants, that is significance of fruit and seed. First coming to seed structure, dicot seed and monocot seed. Students, every dicot seed is represented by seed coat. Okay, seed coat and embryo. Seed coat, embryo. Generally, seed coat is also differentiated into outer seed coat, testa, and inner seed coat, tegmen. Testa and tegmen. Testa is the outer seed coat that is developed from outer integument of ovule. And tegmen is inner seed coat and is developed from inner integument of the ovule. At the same time, hilum present in ovule, hilum it develops into the seed scar. Hilum it develops into the seed scar. Just above the seed scar, there is a minute opening. Such opening, this is called seed pore. This plays a very significant role in absorption of water, oxygen and moisture, which are required for the germination of the seed. It helps in seed germination process. Similarly, within the seed pod, there is a embryonal axis. Okay. Embryonal axis and two cotyledons. Embryonal axis and two cotyledons are there. These two cotyledons they store food materials in dicotyledonous seeds, so that cotyledons in dicots they are fleshy, succulent, fleshy in nature. At the same time, there is an embryonal axis. This embryonal axis, represented by embryo. Already explained in previous class the structure of dicot embryo is consists of embryonal axis, two cotyledons, and cotyledons they store food material, and also embryonal axis. This embryonal axis it is represented by embryonal axis is represented by these are cotyledons. Embryonal axis this is cotyledonary node. And this is epicotyle and this is hypocotyle. Hypocotyle terminates into radical and is also protected by root cap. Similarly, epicotyle it terminates into plumule and this is considered as the primary stem. Some seeds contain endosperm. They are called endospermic seeds, coccus and castor. But in some members, endosperm is absent. Such endosperm completely absent in seeds. For example, groundnut, pea, bean, etc. Exceptionally, endosperm also store food material in case of some dicotyledonous plants. Actually, food materials are stored inside the cotyledons and dicots, but exceptionally, in case of castor, endosperm it store food material. Endosperm it store food material in case of castor. Similarly, dicot seed, monocot seed is also represented by seed coat and embryonal axis. This seed coat is represented by outer seed coat and inner seed coat, just like in a dicotyledonous plants. Similarly, here this seed is also represented by fruit wall means pericarp plus seed coat. They are completely fused. Such type of fruits are called caryopsis. Seed coat and pericarp completely fused, especially in grass family, that is Poaceae. Similarly, Endosperm store food material in monocotyledonous plants. Endosperm store food material. For example, this is a monocotyledonous seed. Okay, this is embryo and single cotyledon, and this is monocotyledonous seed. So, in case of monocotyledonous seeds, this is endosperm. Okay, embryo is situated in a small groove completely one end of the endosperm. This already explained the monocotyledonous embryo structure. Is represented by epiblast, and this is epipotyle, terminates into plumule, covered by coleoptile. Coleoptile is also represented by some amount of leaves. This is hypopotyle, and this is radical, covered by coleorhiza. Coleorhiza. Single shield shaped cartilage is there. This is called scutellum. This is a scutellum. In case of monocotyledonous plants, coming to very important points. This is endosperm. The outer layer of endosperm that separates the embryo from endosperm. Such proteinaceous outer layer of endosperm. This is called alluron layer. Alluron layer. This alluron layer is a part of endosperm. So, what is the ploidy of endosperm in angiosperms? That is triploid. So, this is monocotyledonous seed. Now, coming to the importance of seeds and fruits. Students, after the formation of seed from ovule, it undergoes dehydration. Okay, dehydration. Resulting the seed it becomes dry, even though it is also contain 10 to 15% of water. Otherwise, the seeds automatically they will fail to germinate. The same time, then these seeds they undergo a certain period of dormancy. A certain period of dormancy. Dormancy means the inability of the seeds to grow, even though all suitable conditions are available to the seed. Such inability states, such as sleeping states of the seed, this is called dormancy. Generally, plants they contain evolved mechanism for dispersal of their seeds. Okay, for example, coconuts float on water, and fig trees and guava eaten by birds, and in case of martinia, this is also called tiger claw, it is cat, animal fur. In this way, plants they contain evolved mechanism to dispersal of their seeds and fruits. Similarly, now coming to the size of the seed. Some seeds are very smallest and microscopic. For example, smallest in case of smallest in Orchidaceae, family Orchidaceae. See, the size is measuring about 85 micrometers length and 0.81 micrograms weight. Is considered as very smallest seeds in plant kingdom. Similarly, double coconuts of plant Lodosia. Okay, Lodosia maldivica. These type of Lodosia maldivica, they is represented by double coconuts, largest seeds, that is 30 centimeters long and 90 centimeters circumference and 18 kg weight. This size of the seed is considered as largest size. Okay. Similarly, viability next uses of the seeds. Seeds, they provide food materials and are used as food materials for human beings. Dormancy and duration of dormancy and dehydration of the seeds, they are very crucial for the storage and utilization of seeds for many years. Okay, seeds, they are the products of sexual reproduction. They leads to great variability in population. Seed coat, it also protects the seed embryo, and these seeds also useful in agriculture, and these seeds also used to raise the next generation. At the same time, these seeds, they also provide food materials to developing seedlings. They provide food materials to developing seedlings until the seedlings are capable of performing photosynthesis. That is the importance of seeds. So students, now coming to viability of seeds. In few members, viability, it will last within 30 minutes. 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes in poaceae members. Okay. At the same time, in some members, this is several years. But the seeds of lupin and Lupinus arcticus, these seeds, they show the prolonged period of dormancy. The seeds germinate and flower after 10 years, after 10,000 years, not 10 years, after 10,000 years. Okay, after 10,000 prolonged period of dormancy, the seeds, they can germinate and also flower. So seed viability is also done. At the same time, 2,000 years old date form seeds. 2,000 years old date form seeds are also excavated by archaeological department near King Herod's palace near Dead Sea. King Herod Palace, at King Herod Palace near Dead Sea. 2,000 years date form seeds were excavated by archaeological department. At the same time, students, you know, okay, formation of fruit directly from unfertilized ovary. This is called parthenocarpy. This is parthenocarpy. Okay. Similarly, there is a special mechanism in Australaceae. In some Australasian grasses, there is a special mechanism, that is formation of seeds without fertilization. Formation of seeds without fertilization. This is considered as apomixis. This is apomixis. Apomixis is a type of asexual reproduction that mimics sexual reproduction. Similarly, in case of mango and citrus, in these members, one seed contains many embryos. Okay, one seed contains many embryos in case of mango and citrus. Presence of more than one embryo or many embryos within the same seed, that is considered as polyembryony. Polyembryony. So these definitions are most important definitions. Okay.